So what we're going to talk about first, as we think about breaking down numbers into their base positional forms, also known as expanded forms, is we want to think about, well, based on what place value, or what I'm going to say as indexed value we're looking at, that tells us what power of the base to use. And so for this particular number, we're going to call 3 the 0th indexed place. This first 6, as we read over from the right, the first indexed place, and this 6 on the very left, as we're moving from the right, is the second indexed place. So what those indices are going to tell us as we switch over to expanded form are the exponent that we will place on the base and then multiply by those digits. So for this particular number, we said 0th index for 3, first for this 6, second index place for this 6. And so you can see here, this middle 6 gets the 10 to the first power multiplied by it. The 6 over here gets a 10 to the second power multiplied by it. That's the leftmost 6, the second index place. And then the 3, which is like in the 1s place, how we might think about it based on past experience. What I want you to get into the habit of is that's the 0th index place. So technically that means it's multiplied by 10 to the 0th power, and it's always 1 by definition. So that's why we see that times 1 when expressing the multiplier that goes along with the digit 3. Let's try this one out. We got 5,102. So we're going to have 0th index, first, second, third. So we're going to use up to 10 to the third power in order to write this out in expanded form. Let's go ahead and do that. So we got 5 associated with 10 to the third. Remember that was in the third index place. That's 5, 2, 1, 0. And we had a 1 in the second index place. So that's why we're going to have a 10 square multiplied by that digit. 0 as a placeholder there in the 10 to the first power place. And finally 2 in the times 1 or the 10 to the 0th power place. So let's go the other way and write the number from this form. So we've got 3,026. You may have recognized that the 0th piece of this particular expanded form was omitted in the beginning. So we had to kind of keep a watchful eye for what places or positional values of 10 were expressed in that expanded form, so as to know where to correctly place that 0 placeholder in the final form, 3,026.